Welcome to my YouTube channel. Like every day, I will discuss a new product review today. In today's world of technology, like various products, tab is important to everyone. The tab I will discuss with you today is the model Samsung Galaxy S6 Lite 10.4-inch Android tablet. Friends, if you like my video, then please subscribe to my channel. I will appear in front of you with more new technology best products. And if you want to get the product mentioned in my video or know more about the product, then click on the link provided in my description box and know more about the product. Dive into the world of creativity and entertainment with the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite 10.4-inch Android tablet. This sleek and slim device, available in Oxford Grey, Angora Blue, or Chiffon Rose, has a 64GB or 128GB storage option. S Pen included. Unleash your artistic side and never miss a note with the included S Pen. Perfect for drawing, note-taking, photo editing, and converting handwritten notes to text. The S Pen attaches magnetically to your tablet for instant access. Video game entertainment ready. Immerse yourself in your favorite shows and games with the Galaxy Tab S6 Lite's latest processor and crystal clear 2000 by 1200 pixel display. Dolby Atmos surround sound enhances your gaming and viewing experience. Battery long-lasting battery. Enjoy hours of entertainment and productivity with a battery that lasts up to 13 hours on a single charge. From binge watching to work meetings, this tablet keeps up with your busy lifestyle. Briefcase slim metal design. The lightweight and slim design of the Tab S6 Lite easily fits into your bag, making it the perfect companion on the go. Choose from expressive colors to showcase your personality. Counterclockwise arrows button multi-device connectivity. Boost your productivity with Galaxy connectivity. Seamlessly hand off content between devices and open multiple windows on your tablet for an expanded workstation experience. Desktop computer DeX experience. Transform your Galaxy Tab S6 Lite into an expanded desktop workstation. Control multiple windows on different devices with ease. Camera connect and capture. Capture your world with the 8MP rear camera with autofocus and video chat using the 5MP front-facing camera. Share and record memorable moments effortlessly. Television, take the view with you. Use the Samsung Smart View app to send content from your tablet to a nearby Samsung TV. Continue watching on the big screen or take the action with you. Open file folder, room for everything. The tablet comes with built-in 64GB or 128GB internal memory, expandable up to 1TB with a microSD card. Store all your content with ease. Globe showing Europe, Africa, your world at a glance. Customize your tablet screen with different board functions, displaying your weekly calendar or the weather, even while charging. Unlock the full potential of the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite and elevate your digital experience. Get yours now at an incredible deal of -43% for $199.99. Original price $349.99. Act fast, this deal won't last forever. Rocket mobile phone sparkles.